and welcome. I'm Susan Hyde, and I am here to walk you through your very own premium starter kit. So when your box arrives, you will have this amazing box in it and a diffuser. So I have already set up my desert mist diffuser here. You may have gotten one of the other options as well. So make sure that you read the instructions and that you're familiar with operating it, because you will want to get it going as soon as possible. So here is your box. You just open the sleeve here and then you see it's gorgeous. I love, love, love this box. So you'll have some paperwork in this section up here. So you can pull that out and look at all the amazing goodness. It has a map of where Young Living has farms and some other good stuff. But here is the beauty that you'll want to see. So here you've got all of the oils that come in your starter kit. Got lemon, peppermint, thieves, citrus fresh, digest, lavender, frankincense, valor, raven, and panaway here. So all these are amazing oils. You want to start incorporating them. So be sure that you have viewed one of the essential oils classes or gone through one of the text series, whatever it is. Maybe you attended a live class. All are amazing ways to start using your oils. So these are the oils that come with your kit, but there's more. So make sure you pull this out and remove this, which reveals even more goodness here. You actually get 2 more bottles of oil in this lower section, Peace and Calming and Stress Away. You will find 2 roller filaments here. So these filaments, you'll see, are amazing. It's a roller bottle and it will fit on a 5 milliliter and also a 15 milliliter size bottle, which means you can just take the silicone stopper off of the bottle here and insert this, put the cap on and click it down, and you are good to go. So you get 2 of those, making it super easy to roll on oils directly to your skin. So you will also find 2 packs of Ningxia Red here. Then you will get a Thieves Hand Purifier. You will find this to be so amazing for all the things on the go. Keep this in your purse or your little kiddo's backpack. It's so great. So then you will receive one of 2 options. It just depends on when you received your kit. So you could receive a packet like this of the Thieves Household Cleaner. So this is a concentrate. So you want to make sure that you are using the instructions on the reverse side for the dilution. So you want to add some purified water to this packet and put it in a spray bottle, an empty spray bottle, and fill it up. So you will have received the Thieves Household Cleaner, or you could receive the Thieves spray. So this is not the household cleaner. This is a spray, and you can use it for cleaning any kind of topical surface, for putting on toilet seats when you're out, or spraying a table down at a restaurant. All of those things, that's what the Thieves spray is good for. So I wanted to make sure you didn't miss any goodies that are in your new box, and so I wanted to walk you through. So aren't you excited to break it out and start getting it going?